Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I am Tina Gell, here to share the May 2021 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month and it has 4 brand new collections. So you can have brand new products coming in every month, just a good sampling. So you get cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you'll receive access to 4 recipe cards. These are designed by the design team. They are for double-page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections. So they'll give you cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photograph so you can create right along with them. There's also lots of inspiration over at the Facebook group and the blog by the design team and your fellow subscribers. I've been seeing some awesome layouts here lately, so keep sharing. You can join in on challenges to win prizes. It's just an awesome group of women over there, so be sure to come join us. This month, the 4 collections are awesome as usual and kind of a wide variety of styles and designs, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So the 4 collections this month is Brave and Bold by Amy Tangerine and American Crafts. We have Crepe Paper Maggie Holmes collection, Garden Party. And then for My Mind's Eye is Wild Asparagus. And Photoplay Paper, we have Craftin' with Monomies. So excited to see that in our kit this month. Along with your kit, you'll also get a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up while you're creating or while you're opening your box and drooling over your products that you're going to get to play with this month. So let's dig in. I want to show you everything that you're getting this month in your kit. Our first collection we're going to look at is by Amy Tangerine. This is the Brave and Bold collection. So it's typical Amy Tangerine. It's very eclectic. You're going to have flowers and butterflies along with retro type embellishments. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, your patterned paper. This one here called Monarch, and it has all of the butterflies. These are just gorgeous. This would be great as a background. You could fussy cut those for embellishments. You can also cut them up into strips and use on your layouts. It's just a beautiful paper. The back is an eclectic design in the aqua and kind of the turquoise colors. Full branding strip. There's a pink and white striped branding strip. This one is called Canvas, and it just looks like brush strokes again in those beautiful kind of turquoise colors. The back is a small little white flower on black, just gorgeous. The branding strip is that same paper that's on this side. This one called Midnight Garden has these beautiful pink florals on the back, on the black background, so it just pops off of there, and then that little pop of yellow. The back is a pink and white diagonal stripe, and again the branding strip is the same as the other side of the paper. So one more look at your paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 4x6 sticker sheet. So these will vary among the kits. This is the one that I got. So there's some word phrases, there's some banners and some icons, another floral there. You're going to get some puffy stickers. So again, these will vary. I guess I'll turn it that way, but these are the ones that I got. Super cute little hexagon puffies with the design, same designs you'll see throughout here. And then a 4th a pack of the die cut pieces. So again, these will vary. These are banners that are perforated, so you can leave them together or tear them apart. A little spot for journaling, some icons, and some little phrases. So that's Brave and Bold from Amy Tangerine. Our next collection is Garden Party from Maggie Holmes, and again, it's very typical of Crepe Paper and Maggie Holmes. You could look at this and know that's who had designed it. You're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This paper is called Blooming, and it has those beautiful Maggie pink roses. We have touches of yellow and then the aqua. The back is a pink grid, full branding strip. This paper that has a parquet wood floor is called Trellis. Love the wood grain. The back is a stripe in all of the colors that you'll see in this collection. This one, called Cluster of Blooms, has the beautiful Maggie Holmes florals again in that yellow with just tints of pink, and then the pink flowers throughout. So really pretty. The back is a geometric print in the green. So one more look at your pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get half of the sticker sheet, so these will vary. You'll get one side or the other. This is the one I got. Sweet little fox and the bunny and the bird. Lots of Maggie flowers and some words that could be used as titles. So that is Garden Party from Maggie Holmes and Crepe Paper. Our next collection is from My Mind's Eye, and it's called Wild Asparagus. And this is just a gorgeous collection. It was a real surprise when I opened the box and saw this. It's so different from what's out there. I'm just in love with it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock. The pattern paper, we have this one. It looks like an old tapestry fabric with the florals on the pink. It's just gorgeous. The back is a plaid, and this paper is called Paisley. This one with the dots of color, so you're going to see all of the colors in this collection. I just love the green and the pinks and the pops of yellow, the mustard yellow. We're seeing a lot of mustard yellow right now. The background is the mustard yellow with the text running throughout. This one is called Dottie. And as you can see, this collection is perfect for just about anything. There's no specific theme. This paper, again, reminds me of tapestry fabric. It's a stripe in varying widths. The back is a check pattern in that gray, kind of beige gray. This paper is called Annie. So, another look. That's just gorgeous. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a 1/6 pack of the mixed bag, and so these are just the die cuts, so they will vary, but I got some that's long and skinnier that you could tuck in, some icons and some words, and a little piece I could use for a journaling spot. You'll also receive some enamel dots. These colors will vary, but I got the darker gray in the kit. So that is Wild Asparagus from My Mind's Eye. Our final collection is from Photoplay Paper, and it is Craftin' with Monomies. So we had a little bit of Maggie with her beautiful florals. We had the soft muted colors of Wild Asparagus, and then Amy Tan's Eclectic, and now we got Bright, Bold, and Fun from Photoplay Paper. So I am so excited about this. I hope you are too. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Scrappers, and it has Tula and Norbert all packed up and crafting. It is so cute. He's cutting out a little star. She looks like she's doing some stitching, so it's not just scrapbooking. Here he is knitting. So it's just a super cute, fun collection. Perfect for documenting any of your online events, since we're not really getting in person right now, or past scrapbooking events or creating events. The back is the blue with white polka dot. This one is called In Bellies, and it's a beautiful floral, so even if you don't like gnomes, just look at this. This is gorgeous. So we have florals on the back, on a black background. The back is a green print, but it's like a knit pattern, like a sweater. So see, you can use that as well. We have this one called Stash, and it's a plaid design. The back is a pink plaid design. So you can see there was one paper that has gnomes. So if you're not someone that loves gnomes, you're still going to love this collection. But who cannot love Tula and Norbert? Your embellishments are the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a scalloped border down here. We have these tabs, and it has all of these words that relate to our crafting. Lots of word labels. We do have the images of Tula and Norbert. Can't wait to stick those on. And then you can see we have punches, we have embroidery floss. I'm assuming that's knitting needle since there's two of them like that. Paint brushes, scissors, a sewing machine, your little cuddle bug, paint. Every craft is represented here. So I love that they did that it's not just scrapbooking. So lots of fun items to scrapbook your hobbies. So one more look at the Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to join us on the challenges over on the Facebook group. Check out your recipe cards that the design team has created for you. Pick up those add-ons that we have. You can pick up more pattern paper, more embellishments, more cardstock, and also the Shots of Life, which coordinates with your Flavors of the Month as well. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.